Hi children, how are you? Fine. Well, in today's class, we are going to learn about modals. So what is modal and English grammar? No, I'm not talking about that model which used to go on RAM. I'm talking about a model that is used in English grammar. So first of all, we will start with its definition. Okay? Later on, we will come to know what are modals, how many types of modals are there, their purpose, and the use of can and may. Okay? So, without delaying any time, here we are going to start this exercise. See you. Children, first of all, models. You are watching models here, and the definition of model is here. You are watching definition, and the definition of model says that models are verbs. Models are verbs used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. With this definition, it is clarified that when we are going to use modals, we use the expression of the speaker, and in that expression we find the attitude or the mood of any particular speaker. So, these are also known as modal auxiliaries. What? Modal auxiliaries. Okay. One thing more. V1, as you are watching on the board, I have it. V1 is followed by modal. By a modal. V1 is followed by a modal. Okay. So in most of the sentences you find that wherever modals are there, it is just followed by a V1. In some cases, in some structures, you will find the third form of the verb. But these are in past tense only. Okay? Fine. So now we are going to see the use of can and may. And I have made this particular video specially designed, and I have named it can versus may. What? Can versus may. In this video, you are finding that where we use can, where we use may. Okay. So, first of all, see that one diagram. So, I'm going to raise this. Fine. Children, we use can, as you are seeing from this one arrow. First one, for ability. To show the ability of the speaker, we use what? Can. Next one, offering request. That means if you want to offer yourself or offer something, you can use can. Third one, giving permission. In modern grammar, can is frequently used in giving permission or asking permission. For example, in America or American English, it is said that, can I help you or can I come in, instead of may I come in. But in British, since we are in India, we follow the British English grammar. That's why the use of can is not appropriate in asking permission. While for asking permission, we use what? May. This is the most suitable format for asking permission. Okay, now can, and when we come to could, can and could, many times you find that could is the past format of can. But my dear, it is not so. No. Actually, we cannot have any past format of models. But while going through tense or direct or indirect speech, we convert it into past. Okay? So if it is in your brain, it is in your mind that we have got past of models, please remove it right today. Okay? So what is the use of could here? So could is used for more humble request. What? More humble request. Could is used for more humble request. Could is used for what? More humble request. That means to say, if you have to request very, very politely, in that circumstance, you use what? Could. We will see all the things in the exam. Okay. Now, could is used to show the least possibility. When we talk about possibility, first thing comes in our mind that we use may for possibility. Here it is. Why it is so? And just beside this possibility, you are finding that high is written. When the possibility is very high, possibility of anything occurring, occurrence of anything, if it is very high, we will use what? May. Now, for a formal request, for the formal request, we use what? May. And might is used for what? Might is used for lesser possibility. But when the chances are lesser than lesser, that means least, we will use what? Could. Or least possible. I hope you easily understand the differences between may and might, okay, and can and could. So, I would like to give you some examples of it. See here. May I help you? First one. Second one. Could I help you? And third one. Can I help you? Okay, this is about permission. Here you are finding the same sentence is there. But due to the use of different models, its meaning gets changed. How? See, may I help you? This is what? This is a formal request. If the person whom you are speaking to, if he or she does not want your help, she or he will say, neglect you, no, I don't. Or if he or she will want your help, then he will say, yes, sure. Okay, now come to sentence number 2. But if you say, could I help you? That means the person whom you are making request, he or she is forced to accept your help. Okay, that's why it is said more humble request. Now if you say, can I help you? This is more and more formal request. Okay children? Fine. Now come to next one. It may be true. Second, it might recently, that I mean to say yesterday, I got a news in my WhatsApp group that Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide. The first idea came in my mind that someone must be joking with me, because he knew that I am his big fan. Okay, so first thing came in mind that it could be true. That means the chances of committing suicide with that a very fine hero, a very successful personality, is very less and less. That's why first impression came into my mind that it could be true. Okay, now when I found another one news from my another friend, then my mind said it might be true, because the person who has sent me that one news, I had got belief in that he cannot pass any fake news. So this, it might be true. Now, my bosom friend, my best friend, gave me the news that Sushant Singh is no more. Please watch ABP News. Then my mind accepted that and said it may be true. That when the news was associated with ABP News, the chances of possibility was very high. Got it? Fine. So, I hope in this class you must have understood the differences between can and could, may and might. Okay? So, I hope you must have enjoyed this class, and wait for my next video in which I will tell you some great, interesting facts about modal. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.